So hey guys, welcome back. We all were doing acids, bases and salts. In this we have already seen a lot of topic, right? I hope you all have gone through all those topics. We have seen what are acids, we have seen what are bases, we have seen what are salts. We have also seen the indicators, correct? Okay, there are two types of indicators, one which changes the smell, one which changes the color, right? Then we have seen ki what are the different types of acids, how these acids react, that is the chemical properties. Same way we have seen the bases, the common bases which we use, common acids which we use, different types of bases which we can see around us, right? And many more things we in bases we have seen. Then we have seen salts. Regarding salts, what are the different types of salt we have seen, right? And after that we were on the topic ki what are the common compounds which we are using, right? So we have already done the NaCl, right? That is the sodium chloride, which we obtain from the seawater by the evaporation process, right? And why the seawater is salty? Because of the presence of different salts, right? Now we have already started with it like chloralkali process, that is the sodium hydroxide, right? We have done that sodium hydroxide compound. Now in that we have seen there are three compounds in the reaction. I'll just quickly write the equation. Okay, the equation was NaCl plus H2O. Okay, this is what we have seen in chloralkali process. है ना? What is a chloralkali process? It is a process of formation of NaOH. ठीक है? So chloralkali process means NaCl and water were together electrolyzed. That is, by passing electricity, we have broken down these two things and new substance was formed. What was the new substances? NaOH and Cl2 and H2. These were the new substances which were formed. So in this what we have seen ki NaCl and water together are known as brine, and when electrolyzed it forms NaOH, Cl2 and H2 gas, right? So we have to see today what the uses of NaOH, the uses of Cl2 and the uses of H2. So we'll start with this, that is the uses of all these three products, and then we'll move to the next compound, next important compound, that is the bleaching powder. Now, so we'll start with the first one, that is uses of NaOH. A very important compound. It is also known as caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. ठीक है? So what are the common uses of NaOH? The very first one is it is used in industries such as, what are they? Like such as you can say the detergent and soap industries, detergent and soap industry, then drugs and dyes industries, drugs and dyes industry, then we also use it in vegetable oil, petroleum industry, vegetable oil, petroleum industry for refining purpose, petroleum oil refining. ठीक है? Then it is used in laboratory. Second, used in laboratory for many other reactions. Third one is it is Basically it is used in as a degreasing agent, used as a degreasing agent. ठीक है. So these are the simple uses of NaOH or caustic soda, you can say. The major uses are soap, drugs and dyes industries, and vegetable oil and petroleum oil refining. Basically all these are used. So this is the second, you can say, but the first one which I have written is the prime use of or very important use of NaOH. So you have to make sure that you remember the uses of this because they are asked basically कि कहाँ पर NaOH use होता है. So the first compound का uses we have seen. Though these are the uses of NaOH. So now let's move to the second compound of the reaction, that is Cl2. Now the uses of chlorine gas or Cl2. ठीक है. See, the next important compound of this reaction is Cl2. Hence, we'll be doing the second one, that is uses of chlorine gas. So, what will be the first use? The first use is that it is used as a bleaching agent. So, you might be aware of bleaching agent. बेसिकली यू माइट हैव सीन ब्लीचिंग एजेंट एंड डिसइंफेक्टेंट में बहुत छोटा सा डिफरेंस है. डिसइंफेक्टेंट क्या करता है, जर्म्स को किल करता है, ठीक है, या जर्म्स के बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस को स्टॉप करता है बिकॉज ऑफ विच दे ऑटोमेटिकली गेट किल्ड. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ब्लीचिंग एजेंट, दिस इज नथिंग बट डिस्कलराइजेशन. So these agent or bleaching agent discolorize the whatever colored compound it is. For example, you might have seen कि बहुत सारे क्लोथ को वॉश करने के लिए ब्लीचिंग एजेंट यूज़ किया जाता है, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन सी आजकल तो फेशियल वगैरह करते हैं लोग, मेकअप करते हैं ना, तो यहाँ जो फेस पे जो हेयर ग्रोथ होता है, तो ये हेयर ग्रोथ क्योंकि ब्लैक होता है, एज वी आर इंडियंस तो हमारा हेयर्स कैसा है, ब्लैक है. सो जस्ट टू डिस्कलराइज दैट ब्लैक कलर, what we do bleaching, right? You might have heard of it, right? कि girls go in parlor for bleaching. What is that bleaching? Bleach करना मतलब just वो जो colored hair है, that is black colored hair, उसका color निकाल दो. तो color निकालो तो somewhere it comes to golden, ठीक है? So that is a bleaching agent, right? It is also used as bactericidal. So as I said, what is bactericidal? What is bactericidal? A substance which basically can kill or stop the biochemical mechanism inside a bacteria, due to which it automatically gets killed or gets died. ठीक है. So the second use is that it acts as a bactericidal agent. ठीक है. Then third, is it is used as your water sterilization agent. Water sterilization agent. ठीक है. So what is a water sterilization agent?